Today we're building a 4 megapixel camera. The tools you will need is 1/2 inch with a driver, a drill with a tapping bit, 1/2 inch ratchet, 7/16 wrench, 1032 tap, 1032 drill, 3/32 hand tool, and a 3/16 hand tool. The 4 megapixel camera with the housing we get from the fab shop. This is a 3-layer system. It will have a board at the bottom that you screw down, a second board which is right here, 2 screws, put it down, connect it to the top right here, which is itself is also screwed with pre-drilled holes. To start off, you make sure no wire is pinching. Set it down, get your 3/32 wrench with a 1032 set screw. We always mark the top. We're going to start off with a trunnion against right here, and this is the wall mount trunnion. Just bolted there. By taking the screws, leaving a washer on, put your bolt on. Now let's go ahead and get it started. Again, leaving one washer on. Start it a little bit with your hand. Move on to your ratchet. Applying another washer with your nylon nut. Washer, nylon nut. With your tap, add some tap magic. We're going to be moving on to the side screw right here. Alright, let's try it. There it goes. Stop the threads. Work your way back and go for the other side. Add some more tap magic. Stop the threads. Work your way back. The 3/16 hand tool will be right up there to the housing. Hand tight and move on to the mounting to the housing. And a washer before the nylon nut. With your 5/32 hand tool and your 3/8 wrench, we go ahead and tighten up the stud. And go on the other side. And a washer with a nylon nut. Get on there hand tight. Placing the camera in the housing. I like to push my wire to make sure nothing pinches. We start out by feeding the cable end in, feeding it through with the top identified, which is right there. Give it a push. I'll let it go on the side right here. We move on to the tapping. Again with some tap magic. And going slow on your way back out. To make sure you have good threads. Using a 1032 tapping or set screw on your 3/32 tool. Proceed to putting your set screw in. Just threads right in. Always threading down to make sure you are past the lid screws and the camera does not turn. Using a towel, I like to clean off my area that I just drilled into, and also cleaning off my seal. Small Larson sticker, and I like to put it right over the kill arc. Your password is Change Me Now. When you go to test the camera at the testing station, you would change the IP address and the password, put it right on the trunnion. You tighten up your set screw on your lid. Not too tight, because these screws are known to break. Finally, I like to clean off my trunnion from any debris. Then you proceed to the testing station over by Harley's desk. You plug this up to one of the channels. Give it about 2.5 minutes. It will come on. You have QC come over, video it functioning. You video the IR, taking a sleeve or a towel, covering up the lens for at least 5 seconds. When the screen turns white, you remove the cover. It will go from black and white back to color again, which tests your IR functionality. And that's how you assemble a 4 megapixel camera with camera trunnion and wall mounting trunnion.